So a lot of tennis coaches today have little to no experience in the medical field or in a field that pertains to anywhere from injury prevention to just anatomical studies. So me being a med student, I have access to more material than them. So today we're going to be going through my human anatomy textbook from college. Um, and what we're going to be doing is right now, we're just going to look at the axial skeleton and just which bones are going to be the center of rotation when we're generating power. So first off, this is our axial skeleton. It's just from the sacrum to the skull and then the ribs in between. We're not looking at any of the rotating portions around here. All right, so what we are going to mostly rotate around these lumbar vertebrae when we are hitting. That's just the vertebrae that are the most free, and they also are the strongest. And then also, if you want to see a picture of vertebrae, here's one: vertical, lateral, and posterior view. These, I believe, are going to be your lumbar vertebrae, the ones we want you to rotate on. So your spinal cord runs through here, and the body, which is like a soft but very, very strong pad of cartilage and material, is going to be right here. So this supports the weight, and this supports your nerve functions. So it's going to not rotate on the body, because if it does, it'll sever the spinal cord, but kind of around both. And those are your discs, by the way. And also, if you've ever heard of a herniated disc, this is a really good example. So the soft body gets smashed out of the ligaments that are holding it into place into the spinal cord, causing nerve damage. All right, now we have your ribs, or your costals, and then you have your sternum, and then we have your thoracic vertebrae. These are the ones that connect. See, T12 starts here, and then T1 is going to be up here. So these are the ones that are more difficult to move because your ribs would have to flex as well. And if you wanted to see where the intersection of the vertebrae is, so this is what it looks like when it attaches to a rib. So that's why it's much harder to move. All right, so in the next video, we're going to go over the appendicular skeleton, just showing you the joints and the bones that go along with this. Cheers.